Tourism in nature. We are going to discuss what we visit, why we visit, and how we visit nature. First of all, what? Natural attractions include deserts, polar regions, rainforests, alpine areas, woodlands, grasslands, mountains, beaches, swamps, caves, oceans, cliffs, rivers, and of course wildlife, that is, the life forms that inhabit those environments, such as animals, birds, insects, and plants. But why do we visit natural attractions? We visit natural attractions for many reasons, including to enjoy and appreciate the grandeur of nature, to escape from the pressures of urban life, to escape from humanity, to explore different landscapes and undisturbed environments, to experience outdoor adventures in a natural setting, to learn about the environment, to participate in conserving the environment. Some natural attractions are highly publicized and attract hundreds of thousands of tourists across the globe each year. Others are hidden treasures known only to a lucky few. Some natural attractions have multiple tourist facilities, such as accommodation, guided tours, cafes, shops, and the like, but others have little or no development. There are different terms used to describe tourism in natural environments. First of all, a very broad term, that is nature-based tourism. This term covers all tourism experiences centered on wild or natural environments. Second, environmental tourism. It is a type of tourism that takes place in natural settings with an emphasis on understanding and conserving natural environments. The ecotourism. This has a minimal impact on fragile natural environments, and it is focused on providing nature-based experiences. Next, wildlife tourism. Wildlife tourism offers close contact with wildlife and nature in general. Last but not least, adventure tourism. Tourism that usually, but certainly not always, takes place in wilderness environments. Often the natural environment is a venue or backdrop for adventure activities, and the focus is on the activities rather than the environment. Of course, if you want to attract visitors, you must plan facilities to meet their expectations. For example, the site should be managed to meet at least minimum expectations of a clean, healthy, flourishing environment. It must be beautiful. Then facilities such as pathways, picnic areas, accommodation, and service areas should be developed. Access must be safe. Next, accommodation or large travel facilities to the natural sites should be provided. Sometimes these wilderness areas have no opportunities to sleep or to travel to, so setting up a train connection, an airline connection could be of use not only for in order to visit the attraction, but also for the local population. Of course, tourism development planning and management must consider the scale of tourism that is appropriate for a local environment and community. So, how many visitors are expected? What social or cultural impact could this new tourism have? and the capacity of resources to cope or recover. So, first of all, visitor numbers should be limited. Secondly, visitor fees could help cover maintenance costs. It is expensive to manage also a wilderness area. Facilities should be designed to have minimal impact on the environment. And strict control should be implemented on the selling and collection of natural items such as corals, shells, feathers, skins, claws, and such like. This is a general overview of your group work. Please remember to focus on your reserved area, your protected area, your nature reserve, and prepare an overview, a layout of this area. Buono studio!